Apple iPad 9.7-inch 6th generation to go on sale in India tomorrow. Announced during the education event in Chicago late last month, the iPad 6th generation will go on sale in India tomorrow. Focusing on education and creativity, the 6th generation iPad featured a 9.7-inch display with support for Apple Pencil. The new iPad will be available in silver, space grey and a new gold finish, with a starting price of Rs28,000 for the 32GB Wi-Fi, Rs38,600 for 32GB Wi-Fi plus cellular model, Rs35,700 for 128GB Wi-Fi and Rs46,300 for the 128GB Wi-Fi plus cellular variant. iPad 6th generation features a 9.7-inch Retina display with 264 ppi and weight less than 500 grams. Apple's App Store has a huge list of AR apps focusing on education, learning, productivity and even games that can be downloaded on the iPad. Running iOS 11, it features a new dock for accessing the favorite apps without exiting an app, multi-touch, drag and drop and more. It comes loaded with a few apps including GarageBand, Keynote and iMovie. For documentation, pages and numbers can be downloaded from the App Store for free. The biggest upgrade is the support for Apple Pencil that was earlier supported by the iPad Pro series only. Apple Pencil that can be purchased separately for Rs7,600 can be used for taking handwritten notes, sketching, drawings and more for over 1.3 million apps including Notes, Pages, Numbers, Keynote and many third-party apps including Lina Sketch, GoodNotes, Word, Explain Everything and more. The Apple Pencil is able to replace the expression of using a regular pencil by having thicker. The new iPad also packs a 5-element 8-megapixel rear camera with f/2.4 aperture, live photos, autofocus and can record 1080 pixel HD video. The device can also record slow motion video at 720 pixel resolution at 120 frames per second. The smart covers for the iPad have been priced at 3,400 rupees and will be available in charcoal grey, midnight blue, red, white and pink tint.